Ugh, I only have this homemade stress ball. Well, I heard dough balls are super legendary right now, so let's go scam someone for this. There, I made it kind of look like a dough ball, so let's get trading. Trading dough ball, going once, going twice. Wait, did she say dough ball? Me, I have an offer. Sure, let's see what you got. My 3 poppets, this is a pastel strawberry poppet, and 2 tie-dye poppets, please accept. Oh my gosh, I really want a poppet. Okay, yes. Eee, I'm so excited, here you go. Thank you. Here you go. Wait. This is a homemade fidget. Haha, no trade backs. I guess I have to go find more fidgets now. Those were all my fidgets. It's been 5 minutes and there's nothing. Wait, oh my gosh.